Hey everybody, it's Gina from Auntie Gina's Cucina. Tonight, I'm going to make something that's really going to blow your mind. I am making rabbit, okay? Last night, I kind of just gave it a quick fry. And in here, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have a half of a medium onion, sauteing it a little bit, okay? I guess this recipe is called Quick and Easy Rabbit Cacciatore, we'll call it. So I have that sauteing, not for very long. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I smash it and then roughly chop it. So just toss it in, let it saute for about not even a minute. You definitely don't want that one to burn. All right, so, and then I just, see, it's all nice and fried. Put it in. So, I gotta tell you, this is a great source of protein. So, I know, I'm using my hands. Again, I'm not very fancy. I know, I don't get all makeuped up because I'm home, I'm relaxed. So, okay, now, there we go. They're all in there. So, I always have a rag hanging off the side. And all you want to do, see, you don't have to go crazy. Just toss it with the onion and garlic. In the meanwhile, the onion and garlic will really give it flavor. So you can't rush this process. Give it a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, that was like 2 minutes. I just sauteed it on each side in the onion and the garlic. And now, this is the next step. Watch. Just really squeeze it in your hands. All right, this is a 2.5 pound rabbit. All right, that's 3 plum tomatoes. Okay, that's a little one. All right, so there. And that's it. Watch, okay? Now, some salt, maybe a half a teaspoon of oregano, tablespoon of parsley. Yeah, you like the way I do that? Half a cup of white wine, maybe a cup, okay? And whatever juices was in the bowl goes right back in here. So this one, if you want, a little hot pepper. All right, just a dash. Okay, hold on. Okay, I went ahead and added about a cup of water, cleaned out the bowl, put that in, and just nice mix everything around. And like on a slow to medium heat, cook it for about 45 minutes and occasionally just turning each piece so it's in that sauce. You don't want it too saucy, but you know, you want to see the flavor, and the white wine and everything mixed together is fabulous. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Hey everybody. All right, rabbit is done. Look at this. Rabbit cacciatore. It is absolutely delicious, and I hope your family loves it as much as mine does. I'll see you next time. Bye.